Imagine a company so powerful that it quietly influences governments, stock markets, banks, tech giants, and even your retirement money. Yet most people don't even know its name. This company doesn't sell phones, it doesn't make cars, it doesn't run social media, but it has its fingerprints on almost everything you use. Welcome to the world of BlackRock. BlackRock manages money on a scale that is almost impossible to imagine. Not millions, not billions, trillions. More money than the GDP of most countries combined. Money belonging to pension funds, governments, insurance companies, and everyday investors who don't even realize where their savings are parked. If you have a retirement plan, a mutual fund, or an index fund, chances are BlackRock is involved somewhere in the background. But BlackRock's real power isn't just money, it's information. At the heart of BlackRock lies a system called Aladdin, a massive risk management platform that analyzes markets in real time. It monitors stocks, bonds, currencies, interest rates, and economic shocks across the globe. Governments and central banks have relied on this system during financial crises to understand what might break next. Think about that for a moment. A private company advising governments on how to manage financial disasters. During market crashes, pandemics, and economic emergencies, BlackRock often becomes the quiet advisor behind the scenes, buying assets, stabilizing markets, and influencing where money flows. This is why some people call BlackRock the fourth branch of government. Not elected, not visible, but extremely influential. BlackRock is also one of the largest shareholders in the world's biggest companies. Tech giants, oil companies, banks, media firms, food corporations. When BlackRock votes, boardrooms listen. When BlackRock shifts capital, markets react. And yet, BlackRock rarely speaks loudly. No flashy marketing, no dramatic headlines, no public controversy by design. Power works best when it's invisible. Critics worry about what happens when so much financial influence is concentrated in one place, when the same company owns pieces of competing businesses, when investment decisions quietly shape climate policy, housing markets, and job creation. Supporters argue the opposite, that BlackRock brings stability, efficiency, and long-term thinking to a chaotic financial world. Both may be true. BlackRock doesn't control the world directly. It doesn't issue laws or command armies, but it influences incentives, it nudges capital. And in a world driven by money, influence often matters more than authority. The most powerful forces today aren't always governments or corporations you see every day. Sometimes they're the ones you never notice. Silent, massive, everywhere. That's BlackRock.